अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है केमिकल वेपर डिपोजिशन। CVD इसको कहते हैं। केमिकल वेपर डिपोजिशन और या CVD many be defined as the deposition of a solid on a heated surface from a chemical reaction in the vapor form of a chemical reaction. In the vapor form, the phases it belong to the class of vapor transfer process, which is atomistic in nature. Chemical vapor deposition result from the chemical reaction of gases, ठीक है, precursor at the heated substrate to yield a fully dense deposit. CVD, chemical vapor deposition, is a chemical process used to produce high purity, high performance solid materials. This technique is suitable for the manufacturing of coating, powder, fibers and magnetic components. This technique is often used in many thin film applications by the vapor as experimentally conditions like substrate, material, substance, temperature, composition of the reaction, gas mixture, total pressure, gas flow, etc. Material with the different properties can be ground. Instrumentation and working concept. A typical CVD system of the following parts: source of gases and their feed lines, mass flow controller from the metering the gases into the system, a reaction chamber or a reaction, a system for a heating of the vapor on which the film is to be deposited, टेम्परेचर सेंसर। ये है डायग्राम स्टूडेंट। CVD सिस्टम का भी है, प्रेशर सेंसर इसमें भी है, गैस लाइन भी है, हीट सोर्सेज भी है, सबस्ट्रेट भी है, हीट सोर्स भी है, गैस आउट और क्वार्ट्ज ट्यूब। स्टूडेंट इसके बाद आता है वर्किंग CVD। बेसिक CVD process however can be considered as a transport of reaction vapors or reaction gas towards the substrate, kept at some high temperature. When the reaction cracks into a different products which diffuses on the surface, undergo some chemical reaction at appropriate site, nucleate and grow to form this desired material. Step in the CVD या chemical vapor deposition process. A predefined mix of reactant gases and dilute inert gases are introduced at the specified flow rate into the reaction chamber. 2 number आता है, the gas molecules move to the Warpier's substance and adhere. This is called absorption. The gas molecules are chemically reactant, forming a solid that adheres to the vapors. The reaction gets on the surface of the substance. The gas byproduct of the reaction are moved formed by the vapors surface called adsorption and evacuated from the reaction chamber. स्टूडेंट ये डायग्राम में आप भी देख सकते हैं, ये गैसेस का है, नीचे सबस्ट्रेट भी है, बाउंड layers, scheme representation of the step of CVD process, chemical vapor deposition. During the process of chemical vapor deposition, the reaction gases not only react with the substrate material at the vapor surface who are very close to it, but also in gas phase in the reaction atmosphere. Reactions that take place at the substrate surface are known as homogeneous reaction. The heterogeneous reaction selectively occurs on the heated surface of the vapor where they created good quality films. Homogeneous reaction occurs before the gas molecule rise reach the vapor surface. They are prior to gas phase reaction. This aggregated in the deposition material which is adhere to the surface poorly the same and at the same time for the low density film with lots of defects. And short homogeneous reaction are much more desirable than homogeneous reaction. During the chemical vapors deposition, the reaction rate can be changed by changing concentration of the reaction. It as more reaction becomes available, the reaction rate increases. Types of CVD over chemical vapor deposition. A reaction in solid to be hot wall. It is use a heating system that of not only the vapors but the walls of the reactor itself. An example of which is reagent heated from resistance heated coils. ये डायग्राम में आप भी देख सकते हैं, वेपर गैस हम भी एंटर कर सकता है. हॉट वाल अब CVD एग्जॉस्ट हीटर और नीचे ऊपर इसके हीटर भी हैं. दूसरा टाइप्स भी आता है cold wall reaction using heating system that minimize the heating of the reactor while the vapors is being heated up on edge is heating wire lamps inside the reactors. ये डायग्राम आप भी देख सकते हैं. ये दूसरा टाइप का वेपर गैस हीटर, कोल्ड वॉल फिल्म हीटर एग्जॉस्ट. Advantages of CVD can be applied to the which variant of basis material including glass, ceramics material and metal alloys can be used bar coating and freestanding structure can simultaneously coat multiple component. Material can be deposited with very high purity, can withstand exposure to the extreme temperature variation. Disadvantages of CVD chemical vapor deposition. Ideally, the precursors need to be volatile at near room temperature. CVD precursor can also be high toxic, NiCCO4, explosive B2H6 or corrosive cycling. Some of the precursors, especially the metal organic precursor, can be quality expressive.